Oh, and welcome to another update of the Game of Death. I am here at Build Station Berlin. Let me see if I can show you around a bit. Look, Build Station. Totally built. That's totally what it says. We have a bunch of uh, monitors and stuff set up at the stage, and I presented here earlier today, did a workshop, was nice, and now I'm here all by myself. Everybody left, but I got to stay because in an hour I still do office hours with Grizzlython. Hello to the chat, and if you want to join that, join the Solana Grizzlython Discord where you will post the Zoom link, and then I will answer your technical questions there if you should have any. But here on this channel and right now, I want to give you an update on challenge 6 of the Game of Dev, because people had it too easy, and I said I would make it more difficult. So today we're going to make it more difficult. Because here is the thing, let me show you. This is how your wait, hold on. This is how you're supposed to call the program. Alright? Bullshit. System program. There. Oh no, it's perfect, right? You set it to writable, right? Obviously, we want our program to, if we punish you here, then we want to write to this treasury account. If we set that to writable false, then here the transaction will just fail because it's not writable. And some of you have figured that out. Actually, most of you have figured that out, the ones who managed to do the challenge. Some of you didn't, figure out how to predict the slot hashes and stuff, but just setting this is writable to false keeps you from being punished. And I don't want that, right? Because if I set it to false now, and I add this little change that I just wrote, this here, then the following thing will happen. If I run it, ts node and then run, then the simulation should fail and it should tell you, well, go piss off, I want my funds. So it will tell me, you thought it would be that easy. And that's my error message for the treasury is not writable. So treasury is writable, not. If that's not the case, if you did not specify this account as writable, then I will already kick you out here. This is my update, and I'm gonna now deploy this. So if you're faster than me, you can now still do it on mainnet. This is local here. Solana config here, whoops, config get. Here I'm still on local, but let's Solana config set to mainnet, and then I just say Solana program. Wait, before I can do that, I need to put the right key in here, because otherwise it overrides another key. So where do I find that key? Hold on, give me 1 second. I have that here. Let me copy this and wait. How do I best do this without showing you my keys? Where's my mouse? Here's my mouse. Can I just open this in? No, not fold. What? No, what? No. What did I do? Not find, but just open. Find in folder, open integrate, reveal in Explorer. That should be helpful. Give me that. Then I have it here. And then I just put my key pair here. That's the right one. Now you should also see that here. But then I rename this, delete this, and rename this. Boom. Now I should have the right thing again. And now I should be able to just say Solana program deploy and path is target, and then deploy and challenge 6 SO. We run mainnet, so I'm always like a bit stressed when I do stuff like that, but this is looking good. It looks like it has the right authority, and we are hopefully soon good. Yeah, and that's basically all I wanted to show you anyway. You will not be able to get out of punishment that easily anymore. It's still easy enough, but it's not that easy anymore. You'll have to find other ways to get around this. There we go. We have the program deployed on mainnet as well now. Cool. Just so you know that that's a thing that I did. Just in case you wonder why your solution doesn't work anymore. Good. Any questions in the chat? Otherwise, I will finish that here. I'll also push that change on GitHub. And that's that. Let's see. How are you doing in the chat? Do you have any things? Oh man, I completely forgot. I could have like turned the mood lighting on again. Have Solana lights. Yeah, I mean that doesn't really make it better, the video quality, does it? But like, look, mood lights, Solana colors everywhere. Oh, let's turn it off again. I have all the power. There's a huge ass sound system that I can just. I mean, this seems like office buildings. I don't think there are people anywhere, which excites me a lot because if there are no people anywhere, I can just make party here, right, by myself. But still, I wish I brought my loop station and I could just do a show for you here. I miss looping with like loud music. That's why for my birthday, I make a birthday party and I rented a place where I can just make music. Anyway, that's a long rant while waiting for people to ask questions. If there are no questions, great. Then I shall see you for the next challenge, which will be released on Sunday. Hopefully, if I get around to implementing one, because I'm quite busy here with build station and hosting the office hours and making a video here as well. I'm here as a videographer and as a workshop leader, holder, whatever. So yeah, exciting stuff. No questions? Well, then I say thank you for stopping by, checking out the updates of Challenge 6, and I shall see you. Oh, we could go through Challenge 5 now that that's over. I didn't stop it yet, but Challenge 5. Do you want to see the solution to Challenge 5? Give me a yes, please, in the chat if you want to see the solution to Challenge 5. Otherwise, I'll just leave. Or do you still want to keep trying to solve it? I had nobody complain that they wanted more time for Challenge 5. And I had a bunch of people already working on Challenge 6. So I think Challenge 5 should be quite easy. I mean, the only thing really that you need to know for Challenge 5 is that everything on the blockchain is public, or at least on Solana. And with that, you should be able to hack this. There's also a form of hacking, just looking up what has been performed on chain. And now I really said enough. Yes. I mean, now I might as well show you, right? I might as well. Hold on. Let me. So, Challenge 5. Where is my Discord, let me quickly find the program ID for it. Challenge 5, this one. So really, Explorer, let me put that up here for you. I deployed the program to here, and basically the task was to find out what the secret phrase is, and literally we just need to go to one transaction that succeeded, that successfully saved a hacker. So this hacker was saved. No, wait, this hacker, that's the program. This hacker was saved, and essentially what they did is they called this program. Wait, let me just check what you see. Do you see that? Yes. And it said, your guess is, ach, wie gut, dass niemand weiß. And there you go. You put in that as the password, and boom, easy, challenge solved. So challenge 5 wasn't actually that hard if you know what you do. You just need to look it up. If one person submitted it, there you go. And I could have made it a bit more difficult than this. Even if I didn't log it, the raw instructions is still here, right? You could still just copy this part and put it in as transaction data. That's all what you needed to put in. And that's essentially this part, but as bytes, not as a string. Yeah, so pretty simple. Pretty simple stuff. If you know what you're doing. Just saying. All right, but I think with that I shall leave you now and get mentally prepared for office hours or turn on the music for another half hour. All right, are there any questions? No, nothing appeared. So, cool. I shall see you next time. Peace